everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete friends in Township game. In order to remove or delete your friends in Township, open the Township application on your mobile device first. Once you're in the home page, tap on the friends icon located at the bottom left corner, and under your friends tab, go ahead and look for the friend you want to delete and tap on their picture. Now on the left hand side, you will see the visit and remove button. To delete the friend, tap on remove. In the pop-up, confirm your selection by tapping yes, and doing this would remove the friend from your friend list. And that's how super easily you have removed a friend in Township. Now you can manage your friends list just the way you like it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.